Thank you for visiting OmoiBox and taking interest in the large magnetic knife holder block. I believe this knife block separates itself for a few reasons. 1. Its length allows oversized knives to fit comfortably on the board, and it adds the element of safety since the knives are spread apart so that getting tangled up and knocking over knives can be prevented. Most knife blocks have a single magnetic strip going across the board, which can be advantageous because you can basically utilize the entire board. However, this design is flawed in my opinion for two reasons. First, the magnetic force is very limited since you basically have one area of the knife being supported on the board. Also, having a magnetic strip allows you to put the knives anywhere. Basically, you can put a knife right next to another knife, which is really dangerous in my opinion and a flawed design. The board can hold up to 7 knives, and this may be a limitation to some. However, most people only have this amount of knives or accessories in their kitchen, and there really isn't any need for any more space. There is a circular accessory with a Swarovski crystal that guides the user where to put the knife and where it should go. It's a new style and a different kind of knife board, so I felt that it was important to make this video and educate you guys on how to use it. Another quality about the board is that when the knife makes contact, it's pulled with a perfect amount of force, so it isn't too strong and makes a satisfying click or a tapping sound when it hits the board. The sound really gives you confidence that your knife is going to stay put. I really care about hygiene, and since the knife is the single most used item when cooking, I would like to be confident that my tools are clean and ready to use. Not only does this board create the illusion that your knives are floating, it would also preserve the sharpness of your knife compared to the traditional knife block that will dull your knife over time. Everything my company OmoiBox makes is handmade with the highest quality and perfection that the Japanese artistry demands. We don't mass produce anything, and everything is basically handmade. Everything we make is made from scratch. The raw materials are cut, sanded, measured, varnished, and drilled with precision, and nothing is more exciting to us than to see a product take its shape. Every step and process takes time, and we make sure it's done right. Sometimes it takes days, even weeks, to finish a product. Not because it has to, but because we are perfectionists. Hope you enjoyed the video and please purchase with confidence. ありがとうございました。